folks. I was trolling Harbor Freight the other day. Let me move this closer. Move it up a little here. There we go. I was checking out Harbor Freight and I picked up. I don't even know why I picked. Will I use it? I don't know. I picked up a U.S. General Blue Medium Ultra Grip Flexible Parts Tray. It's a medium ultra grip part tray. Part number 58263. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was under $10 or whatever was on sale. So I picked it up because I constantly have shit over my bench. Not literally shit over my bench, but there's just stuff everywhere. So I figured maybe, just maybe, I can put it all in one place. So I'll show you. I was playing with the little sample they had loose there, and I was like, you know, that's pretty cool. I know some people have toolboxes they put this in. My toolbox is already full of crap. You see all this stuff on top? Yeah, it probably needs probably need a makeover in here. I know. If you're new to my channel, the place is going to change eventually. So yeah, I got this. It's actually pretty cool. I don't know. I guess ratchets go in here. It says U.S. General. There's a measuring thing here. It's got a nice flexible. Feels nice. So I guess, like some people, they can store their weed in here, their lighters and drug paraphernalia. I don't do that crap. I also, now that I have this fancy tray here, I'll show you. I picked up, but it's pretty good. Look, it's already dusty, honestly. I can just throw like this in here, work on stuff, throw a pen. I don't know. What is this? Look, these things right here, little holes. I don't know if you can see them. See the little notches in there? They remind me of that back in the 80s when everybody had an ashtray with these little things in it. All right, I also picked up a 8-in-1 precision screwdriver. Oh, no, that's not it. That wasn't what I picked up. I picked up this central pneumatic. It's a pocket blowgun. Watch it just blow you away. I bought 3 things from there. Apparently, I can use this as a air tool. It's a mini air tool. I think it was like $2 or something. Why did I get it? I don't know, I was bored. Oh, you guess you turn it on and off. I probably should test it out for you, but yeah, I guess it's on off. It's like a garden hose. So anyway, I got that. The other thing was from somewhere else. Oh, and I also I wanted to see how these. I picked up a pair of Vulcan TIG gloves, Defender. And just so you know, just in case you know, I never use TIG gloves for TIG welding. I use them for work. Like I use them as work gloves because they're honestly, whoever invented TIG gloves is awesome. They're just the best gloves all around for everything. They're not really great for either the Vulcan Defender extra large TIG welding gloves. I figured they were under $20, remember, which is pretty cheap for TIG welding gloves because they're tending getting really expensive lately. Very expensive. Garbage. Yeah. But they make good work gloves, especially you get shorter ones because you get more finger. See these? Oh, they feel like, honestly, they feel like plastic. Now that I'm trying them on again. They're usually nice leather. See Vulcan, the logo on it. I tried them on, they feel pretty, but see that squeak? That reminds me of something that's coated with plastic. Doesn't have a full, like it's not the grain, it's sprayed with paint. Obviously it's sprayed with paint because it's white, it's painted. But it's like squeaky cheese. So yeah, the Vulcan Master Welder series. I mean, people complain about Harbor Freight stuff, but honestly, how much stuff in China is made and rebadged? Rebadged. Is that the anything like that there? Anyway, that was my horror freight purchase. I also went to Walmart, Wally World. And while I was at Wally World, I picked up, oh wait, no, I forgot, sorry. I picked up hex screws, hex cap screws for the sandblaster. And I picked up 3 of them. So what the hex is going on here? I don't know if you can see that. There's let me open one up. I'll show you. These little kits for nuts, bolts, and screws at Harbour Freight are pretty cheap. I bought several. I've used cotter pins, the what is it, shrink tubing ones, and honestly, they're about as good quality as everywhere else. Because a lot of other places, I think they're from the same place in China. They just put a different name on it. So cap screws, well, it really is. These are, see, I bought a bunch of them because usually you get, if you need a bunch of these and they only give you a little, you're like, I need more. These are what? Is that what it is? Oh yeah, number 10. They only had standard, but I ordered metric ones online, and 2, 3, and all that crap. So I got 3 because I hate when you do a project and you run out. You do something, you think you got enough screws, and all of a sudden, 3 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, when you're like, yeah, I'm into this thing, you get it going, you're like, okay, I'll stop, because I'm missing like 4 screws. And what else? That's pretty much it for the Horror Freight. Got all that Horror Freight, and I like going there. Honestly, there isn't a lot of stuff. I don't buy a lot of stuff at Harbour Freight. I've been buying flashlights there because they're cheap and they're good. I don't buy a lot of consumables there because a lot of it is totally trash. Gloves I don't mind because gloves, like anybody trying to come make a pair of gloves. Sewing machine, same pattern for whatever. What else do I buy? I've been buying cheap batteries there because I watched, was it Project Farm? And it was like, yeah, the batteries are just as good. And my kids go through batteries. I'm like, what is it, $4 or whatever, $4.99 for a 12-pack versus paying for Duracell. It lasts the same amount of time. What else? The little bendy flex lights with a magnet. I use those. We've had several power outages and they came in really handy. I bought the big square one. I think it's 2800 lumens or something. It has a magnet. I use it in my truck because there's no rear light in my truck, and I can just take it and move it around. For some reason, the interior light is not working in my vehicle. What else? I buy some of the little wire wheels to try. But I bought some on Amazon. I'm curious to see what the difference is. There's a couple of things they sell that are just like normal stuff that's a little bit cheaper. Bought some bolts. I bought a cheap pair of what is it? Dial indicators. I bought my son some little mini wrenches because if I want to buy my kids a pair of wrenches that just get lost, well, I might as well buy them Harbour Freight because I'm not giving away a snap-on set to my son. I mean, he's 2 years old. What do you think's gonna happen to him? One's gonna be flown out the door. 2 will be in the garbage. My wife, so. And I think I bought a pneumatic needle scaler, and was it Baxter, the little belt sander. I bought that there too. And a mini hand sandblaster and a couple of odd items. But a lot of the other stuff, if it's a major tool that I'll use, like air tools, I like buying Chicago Pneumatic. They make really good tools. Certain things, power tools, I like DeWalt because I like yellow. That's the only reason why I buy DeWalt. I like the color. And that's it. So that's it for my Horror Freight review. Hope you like that. And click all the buttons, like, subscribe, tell me you like it, and have a good one.